Welcome back to QuizArena. Are you ready to unbox squishy dumplings? Choose your squishy, but be careful. One of the boxes is hiding a trap. Before we start, please subscribe to the QuizArena channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's begin. Choose your first squishy dumpling box. Can you avoid the trap? Did you expect that? Time to make your choice. You're doing amazing! Are you ready for the next squishy box? Let's keep going. This one might be tricky. Choose carefully. Next squishy box. It's not as easy as it looks. Are you ready to choose again? Pick your box. Ready for the next round? Think outside the box. Who's feeling lucky? Choose your box. You're on fire! Pick your next squishy. Nice pick! Choose your squishy. Pick wisely. You've got this! Fantastic guess! Choose your squishy. What a surprise! Let's keep going. This is getting exciting. Next one. I can't wait to see the result. I love your squishy! Choose your dumpling. Great choice! Next squishy box. Choose your next box. Pick wisely. That was unexpected. Choose your squishy. Let's see the results. Next one. Are you sure about your choice? Choose your next squishy. Pick wisely. Choose your squishy. Good job! It's time for another box. Pay close attention. Choose your squishy. Thanks for playing. Comment below how many trap boxes you avoided. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fun quizzes on QuizArena.